I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was firm. We were wondering if the market was going to hold up after that big rally on Friday, but it's another new record high that we were able to breach, not by a big margin, but just enough to let us know that it's here to stay. The futures really reached that new 6-month high with strong demand that's continuing, a lot of short covering, some technical buying as well, and that's keeping the market moving. A very strong movement after weeks and weeks of the market really just hovering in a particular channel. So this breakout was really significant, and it also helped the feeders as well. The feeders were steady today, but they did trade on both sides of the markets. The momentum is adding some support to the futures, and so that's giving it somewhat of a lift. It seems like this run-up has really gotten a lot of traders' attentions. They're holding it up. It's the expanding trading prices also are helping and getting people involved in the market that have been kind of quiet and maybe a little bit of sleep. Also, the lower corn market is really helping the lower corn prices. I mean, it's really helping the beef sector of the livestock market. So that's why feeders are showing a little bit more momentum here. But across the board, they all look very, very strong. Now, the difference is with the hogs, we didn't get a big rally out of the hog market, but it was a little bit mixed, but still very, very strong. Right now, there's been more swine fever confirmations out of Belgium. So we know now that it's in China and in Eastern Europe. It's really all the way across the land there. With that confirmation, the market is definitely not going to go down. We had a little bit of profit taking and just a little mixed trading back and forth, but the market is still on the move. And with Belgium on the list here, this forwards the expectations of really increased U.S. exports out that way. So that's been helping a lot of the pork producers here in the U.S. Now we're going to watch that closely, and we're watching for any kind of change or any kind of resolution to the U.S.-China tariff wars. If that happens, we really could be off to the races. But you know, where everyone's just putting that on the back burner right now because we've been exhausted waiting for some good news out of the White House. Nothing yet, but the market still looks very strong. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.